Right now I am double checking your gas pressures because you have a two-stage furnace. So on first stage, the furnace will run typically at 1.5 water column. And then on high stage, we like to have them around 3.5. So yours was a little high on second stage there. We were at about 3.8, so I did back it down to where the furnace specs require. Because if that gas pressure is too high, all it does is wear and tear on your heat exchanger. It's running a lot hotter than it needs to. Obviously, don't want that.